In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a table in Gmail, a handy tip and trick that will help you add tables effectively to your emails. Whether you're organizing information or simply looking to enhance the presentation of your data, using tables can be a great asset. Let me guide you through this straightforward process so you can effortlessly incorporate well-formatted tables into your Gmail messages. To get started, the easiest and most reliable way to add a table into your Gmail is by using Google Docs or Google Sheets. First, you'll want to open either Google Docs or Google Sheets. Each serves a unique purpose. If your information involves numbers or formulas, Google Sheets is ideal due to its spreadsheet capabilities. Conversely, if your data is more text-based, Google Docs will suit you perfectly. Once you have your chosen platform open, go ahead and create or format your table there. This step is important because having a well-organized table in Google Docs or Sheets will translate into a clear layout once you move it to Gmail. With your table ready to go, highlight it by clicking and dragging your mouse over the entirety of the table until it's fully selected. Now, depending on your operating system, press Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or CMD+C if you're on a Mac. This will copy your table into your clipboard, preparing it for the next stage. Next, open Gmail and begin composing a new email by clicking on the Compose button. This will open up a blank canvas where you can start to build your message. Focus on the email body for the moment, because that's where your table will take pride of place. Click inside the body and use the paste function to insert your table. Again, this is as simple as pressing Ctrl+V for Windows users or CMD+V for Mac users. With a quick keystroke, you'll find that your table appears beautifully formatted right within your email. And there you have it. Your table should now be sitting inside your email, ready to be sent. It's a straightforward process, but a small tip to keep in mind: utilizing Google Sheets for numerical data or calculations can be particularly beneficial, as it'll handle the structure and layout with ease. On the other hand, if you're working with more plain text layouts, Google Docs will serve you well. This method ensures your tables remain intact and attractive, fully compatible with Gmail's emailing interface. Enjoy sending your polished and professional-looking tables and let them elevate your email communication to the next level.